Greetings, greetings, greetings. Tell me something. You know the truth. Where the foundation and the corner post for the church where God built. Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with everybody where you know. And if you not do it yet, wait, bud. Do it now. Just click the subscribe button and the notification bell too. To make sure so you don't miss none of what I go on right here. So 5 o'clock Jamaica time every morning.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, I'm going to read from Paul's first letter to Timothy, chapter 3, from verse 14 to verse 16. Me hope say me can come see you soon, but me I write the letter the same way. In case it no hold me back, me I write to make you know how people who are part of God family must behave. God family are the church, and the church of a God will live forever and ever. The church support and hold up the truth, just like how the foundation and the corner posts hold up one building. All we know for sure, say the whole of the thing where God show we just big and powerful. A true say Jesus born on earth like one man. The Holy Spirit prove say God did take him for him picnic, and the angel them did see him. People preach to everybody about him. Everybody put them trust in him, and God take him up in heaven. And God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.